My guy Mino was nice enough to drop off a snack for me today, chicken wings, but I gotta cook them. So I decided to go with garlic parmesan. I get the hot oil going, I'm using bacon up, love the flavor. Going with a very simple seasoning. Salt, pepper, using my special shit again. This thing has everything you need, garlic powder, blah, blah, blah. So don't tell me I didn't season it. Only added spice I'm adding to it is some sweet red chili powder. I've got my flour. All I'm adding to it is the same special shit. I'm gonna add some Tonys. Get a little kick to it. I'm gonna coat these lightly. One light coat, no egg, no milk, just the flour. Bacon up to 350. We're gonna put them in for about 7-8 minutes. We're gonna chop up about a handful of garlic. Can't have wings without a beer. I'm drinking, are you kidding me? IPA from Saugatuck Brewery out of Michigan. Delicious. Yeah, I'm pouring it in a glass. Yummy. 8 minutes, they're about ready to come out. Now we're gonna make the sauce. Stick of butter. Now you can add garlic powder. I'm going with the real stuff. I'm gonna add a little pepper to this. Add a little red pepper. All right, second batch is done. All right, to finish off the sauce, we got Parmesan cheese, about a third of the plate. Mix it all together. Pour all this delicious sauce over them. Check them out. I'm a flats guy. And I'm gonna dip it in my wonderful homemade blue cheese, which I have pinned. Not gonna lie, pretty hot. You know, these wings are gigantic. You kidding me?